There you go.
Just a small ref and laundry, little washing machine.
It's big enough.
But it's all they need for the husband and wife and the one daughter. There were two other children living too, but they live upstairs now.
Right.
The two other sons. They only want their daughter here because they got to keep an eye on the daughter.
Yeah.
I think she sleeps out here.
So look at that, eh? They must be expecting a lot of people because there's a lot of food there and there's a lot of food inside. Empatito?
Empatito, it's Philippine pork round with all the vegetables and hot dog in it.
Ah, right.
It's wrapped in foil and they steam it.
All right.
Yeah,
I've had some of that. It's nice.
Watch your steps.
Let's have a look. Ah, see, then they put it in the foil. Yeah. Do they put egg in that as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. I love it. Yeah.
His recipe.
Yeah.
He makes the best one ever.
Your specialty? Yes.
Many skills, not just a gaffer.
Yeah. Well, Filipinos do have many
He's the
skills,
repairman
huh?
for all the people here, all the houses.
Yeah.
He builds all this woodworking. I send him all my tools, and he built every table you see here. Helped build all the house. This whole house he built it. He was the engineer.
Cool.
Wasted talent, actually.
Yeah. So it always ends up where you'll get a bunch of guys drinking. It's normally gin. Is it gin? Having gin? Yeah. We got the gin. One shot. Oh, I'm going to have a shot. Thank you. Oh my God. Water! Thank you. Yes, it's good. Oh my God, that was strong. There's not a lot of Mountain Dew in that, if any.
Be careful. Use that to clean the motor too.
Yeah. God knows what that does to your stomach. So that's it.
Did you go upstairs?
Ryan's house. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's upstairs. Forgot
There's
about
a whole set of 3 more rooms upstairs and a CR too.
Let's have a look.
And a balcony too.
Now I don't know if you remember Annie saying, but she'd love to have. Let's have a look on the balcony. She'd love to have her own house, and I can't see how she's gonna get her own house anytime in the near future. I mean, if I sold my house back in the UK, I'd be struggling. See, the stairs continue, so they're going to put another floor on eventually, look. But I love places like this, guys. I just love the Philippines. I love the people. I love most of the customs. I love everything.
We'll eventually make a railing and that whole thing if you want to.
Yeah, like a rooftop thing.
Let me like your family's house.
Yeah. Have a look.
But that'll make a great rooftop area.
Yeah. Very nice. Well, I suppose you could use it now, really, can't you?
We just were afraid without a railing. Without a railing.
Oh, the railings, yeah.
Yeah, because we got to put like this there still.
Yeah.
That's why we didn't put the metal there.
Yeah.
So we're just going to keep extending it and put a one step. No, it's a different view from up here.
Yeah. I mean, the coconut trees, guys, in the foreground, and the banana trees, and you know, if everything crashed tomorrow, these people would be able to feed themselves.
This whole house setup, this whole compound is Jollibee recycling. They have a contract with all the Jollibees. Every night they bring home all the basura. Go through it all. Take away all the carton, all the cardboard, all the plastic cups, anything reusable. They take it out and resell it.
Wow.
And then anything that's just straight garbage, if it's food garbage, they actually grind it up for pigs and dogs.
Yeah.
And then if it's garbage, they take it over to the dump now.
Right. So, where's the new dump? Have they made a new dump? Because the old one's
the new dump
closed.
is down there now. Yeah, the old dump is now shut down.
Ah, right.
And they're actually going to cover with grass and make it into a park eventually.
Really?
Yeah. It's better than what it was.
Well, yeah, I noticed when I come by, like.
Yeah, because when you used to come by here, if the wind's blowing the wrong direction, it's not
pretty
great
disgusting. Yeah.
But my wife grew up there, so.
Yeah.
And then we also left a staircase on the outside for a possible third level.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
But it's little by little, you know.
Well, yeah.
We only can send so much money.
As soon as they get the funds. There's nobody in here, is there?
Yeah, I don't believe so.
So we've got another bedroom, look.
Yeah, that's one of the sons. Or actually, the two sons share that room now.
Yeah. It's a typical Filipino room, though, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. And that's
this
the
is
catch-all.
This is storage at the moment.
Yeah. But this upstairs could be rented out eventually.
Yeah.
And then there's the American-style type CR.
Yeah.
With a flushing toilet and
a better shower.
And a decent shower.
Cool.
But that's where I prefer to take a shower, actually. And then there's still the big room here.
Oh wow. Goes on.
This is
this is a decent size room, isn't it?
And with the aircon.
Yeah.
So, and the TV too. We actually brought those flat screen from US. So we have to make sure they plug them into 110, otherwise kaboom.
Yeah.
But they're real careful. We actually taped the plug so they can't plug it in without the adapter. So, but here at least you still can get TV without antenna.
Yeah.
In the US you can't.
No.
So you have to buy a subscription to cable, but actually everything's online now, so there's almost no need.
Oh, I just use online. We don't need cable or anything.
But this is our small home. But you know what? It's ours.
It's good.
There's no payment, you know.
Yeah.
In the
It's
Philippines.
paid for. Yeah.
And I have somewhere to come retire, like you someday.
Hopefully.
If my wife's tempo doesn't decide differently.
I don't think the tempo ever goes really.
No.
It's always there in the background. Thank you. See where Mel's gone. She's enjoying the clowns. There she is. Are you enjoying the clowns? We're now going to sing on the karaoke in a bit, I think.
Sino ba? Sino ba ang pwede natin? Ay, yan si Tita naka-picking nasa likod ni Tita Kati. Yan, Tita! Sama ka sa amin, Tita! Para mangulit lahat, 20 counts.
It would be amiss of me not to show you this, the pig. My God, look at all the food they've got.
Ready? 1,
Look at that.
2,
Hey,
3.
he was alive this morning, running about. No, it's not. Look at that.
Yan, boys, dito ilagay, boys.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you.
20 counts lang yan, 20 counts.
And this candy, I love candy. And cupcakes. And look at how beautiful that cake is, look.
And girls, dito ilalagay, girls. Girls, dito ilalagay. 2,
can see this, guys. Show you the food. Wow, that's the sweet spaghetti.
6, last 5 rounds. 5 more times. 5, 4,
Oh, I love them noodles. Love them.
2, 1, and 0. Ayan, go back to your lines. Balik sa lines, balik sa lines. Yung mga teams natin. Yung isang ball, dito ako yan.
That's liver.
Dito tayo.
I'm not sure what that one
Yan,
is.
check natin ha. Check natin. Unahin na natin ha.
It's the same. Obviously the rice. Get that.
Yan para sa girls. 1,
I'm sure they're not going to get rid of all this food.
2,
There's loads of it.
3, 4, 5, Hello Kitty. Well, there's 6. Ayan, kung sino makakakuha ng mga papel na yan, punta lang sa atin. Okay ba yun? Ready? Ready? Wait lang. Excited yung mga kids natin eh. Ops, wala pa. Ops, wait lang. May umiiyak niya. May umiiyak sa loob. Wait lang. Labas muna, labas. Wait lang. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go!
This is new. Mel's drinking it. She's got a San Mig apple. Watch your fingers. Who's this San Mig apple, Mel? Really? I think you're gonna get some porky pies.
Oh, her plate is empty. It's time for some more.
We've just been given some of the pork from that big pig, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Okay.